I will never struggle with BS certification after learning this. Let's make it simple. BS certification stands for quality, reliability, and safety. It's a badge of trust from the Bureau of Indian Standards. Not only does BIS certification boost consumer confidence, but it also opens up new markets, ensures regulatory compliance, and gives you a competitive edge. But let's face it, the process can be tricky. Product testing can face delays, factory inspections might need investments, and collecting all the documents can be a real challenge. That's where VQMS steps in. We simplify the process, handle the paperwork, and ensure smooth sailing from start to finish. Ready to make it happen? Contact VQMS at info@vqms.co.in or call +91 801 7901504. Visit our website at vqms.co.in for more info. BIS certification made easy with VQMS. Let's get started today.